reckon, Matthew? It's not that loud from outside. Like, it is a bit, but I would say it's as loud as a GT is. No, but from the inside, it's a lot louder than it is from the outside.
Boys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's been a long time since we've posted. I've just been that flat out with work trying to, get all the other stuff out of the way. We've done a shitload of work on Nick's car. Where is he? Nick's out there doing something. We've built the whole exhaust system, so we've got 3-inch stainless with mandrel bends. And that's turned out really neat. Put this on the car, got it all going with a big turbo, and it's stupidly loud. So this here finishes just before the axle, so we need to chop that off, put some bends on there to get it up over the back of the axle, and we've got a hot dog muffler to put on there. As you can see, we've got some dramas. We went to go and do some test runs with the new turbo setup, and the clutch just fried straight away, and that's stuff from when we did the track day last time, trying to do the power skids and whatnot. This is my flywheel that we painted, and this is what's left of the clutch. Now this is a brass button clutch, and it is absolutely rooted. I've never actually seen one this bad before. That's because Nick shifts like a bitch and just holds the clutch halfway out. No, it's just abuse. I did the exact same thing to the GT as well, identical clutches. So yeah, while all this has been going on, we've ordered a new Extreme clutch. Now these are about $600. It's just a single plate clutch from Extreme. Has about 530 kilos of clamping load, comes with a new bearing. I don't even know why they put that aligning tool in there. These don't even have a spigot bearing, so it doesn't work anyway. And if we're going to go and turn this like what, 8,500? I think we're going to have to because of the turbo, spoiler alert. But if we're going to turn this like 8,500, I don't want to do that with a stock clutch because this will definitely chop the passenger's legs off if it comes out. I think it's a good idea. We'll put this Extreme light and flywheel back in there so we can actually crank some RPM. If we need to turn this to 9,000 to make power,
we can do it.
It's gonna no, we can, but it's gonna happen. Yeah. It needs to happen.
Like worst case, we rod it, we build another motor.
Yeah, we build another motor. Short term on the dyno, we need to make 400 with this. That was our end goal. Yeah. That combo, that's clutch and flywheel sorted. We should be able to do that. You probably noticed since Nick had the world of diff, he's gotten huge. But he said he had to drive through KFC the other day with his welded diff, and it was the worst experience of his life. First world problems. We're going to take the welded diff away, and we've got an open wheel, just a C152. They're meant to be the weak gearboxes that are in like stock Starlets, stock Paseos.
We'll see if it lasts.
The gear set's a little bit smaller. It's open wheel. We'll see if it lasts. I mean, there's no drag racing coming up anytime soon, so we may as well just put that in. And hey, if it blows up, it blows up. Maybe you'll invest some money and get a LSD one day. We don't know. But at least putting this in, it's going to be pretty fun to drive. I mean, you saw when the GT broke an axle and it was just doing stupid power skids. Even though it's an open wheel diff, both wheels sort of still drive.
It's going to be better.
It's going to be better. It's going to be better than that.
It goes to the wheel with the least resistance.
Yeah. Yeah, with the least resistance.
Because if this snaps an axle, it wouldn't move. The wheel that snapped the axle would just,
Yeah. So all this combo here, we're on pretty much the right track. Put all this back together, back in the car. We have test drove it. Where's this going? We did test drive it, and it is insanely laggy. It does sound epic. What is your thoughts on how loud it is?
Oh, my ears were ringing afterwards. Pretty bad.
I mean, the GT has a straight through 2.5, and this is 3-inch. I guess with the big turbo, there's a little bit less back pressure there, just lets everything out.
It's very loud.
Yeah. So we'll see. So Nick's donor gearbox has been sitting out in the rain, and there's definitely some rust and crud in here. Wait, this gearbox is sick.
Yeah, bro.
We're not going to change those seals.
Wait, look how much rust is on it though. Like
it's been out in the rain, so we'll put.
Yum.
If we go and mess with it and change the seal, it'll probably start leaking. So let's just leave it. Everything else on this car's worked for us, so we'll just leave it as it is. Put it back together, and it's going to be fine.
Wait, she's mad.
Yeah, it's a sequential.
Yeah.
Like dog box.
That's mad.
We just noticed something really bad. We've just gone to bolt on the new flywheel, When we pulled this out, there was one that was loose. So I've gone and hit it with the rattle gun and it was loose, and we've gone, oops, we must have left that one loose. When we've gone to put the flywheel and stuff back on and literally just nipped it up, the bolt snapped off. Well, in all honesty, how many times have we had this box in and out?
Oh, 5 maybe? We've reused them every
So
time.
the bolt snapped off. Hang on.
They're on the ground there. We've reused them every time.
And then I'll see if I can zoom in far enough so we can see. The bolt actually looks skinnier. The bolt actually looks skinnier in here. So I think we're on a path for destruction, and this flywheel, yeah, this is actually bad. We've got another spare motor outside. Nick's going to pull the flywheel bolts off that. As far as we know, these will be the standard ones.
These look better.
These will be the standard ones, I reckon.
They don't look as stretched.
At least we can use all the bolts out of that. They've never been off.
It's got a new remaining then. How good's that?
Oh, bullshit. Oh, that's so bad. Wow, you can actually see it.
You got that other one?
Wow, look at the... You can actually see the length difference.
Have you got that new motor? Oh, that new bolt, sorry? Have you ever had that happen on one of your motors before?
Has anyone actually seen flywheel bolts snap in a 4E or a 5E before?
No.
Nope. Nick, nope. Anyone listening? Nope.
I haven't, no.
Because that, yeah, okay, I'm repeating myself, but that could have been really bad.
Yeah. Oh yeah, if they all snapped.
Because your car would have been making noise and you would have been like, just send it. What's the worst that's going to happen?
Oh, it always makes noises. So
We're not going to die.
It always makes
We're not
noises.
going to die.
It always makes noises, so I would have just been like, oh, it's making another one.
Oh, that,
Maybe when you reuse them 4 times like we did, it's not good.
I don't know, after seeing that, that's bad.
I don't think it's, yeah.
I'm never going to reuse flywheel bolts again
Well, what do they cost brand new each?
after today.
What do they cost brand new each?
I don't know. I do know ARP seller kit.
Because I was going to say, we got ARP ones and they're reusable, usually. ARP stuff usually is.
I mean, these come out to hold 80 horsepower. Why can they not hold 400? What is the problem?
I don't think it's the power that's the issue. I think it's just that we've been
Yeah.
talking them and untalking them.
These are the same rattle guns that I've used for years and they're all the same stuff before. Same.
Just crazy that one time. What are you thinking? No way. No way. I've encountered this issue before. That's a normal style, that's a stock Starlet flywheel, and that's an FTE flywheel. I've encountered this issue before. Remember that Mantic clutch? It was for an FTE, and I had an FE flywheel, and it was different size. So that will only fit a stock Starlet flywheel, not an FTE one. I didn't realise that was for an FTE.
Well, you can't get those for an A4E.
And that's for an NA4, isn't it?
Yeah. And you can't get turbo clutches. This doesn't come in a turbo clutch.
Is that so? That's what's in the blue car right now. One of those. Yeah. And what flywheels do you have? 5.
Which 5E and 4E have the same
We're going to have
things.
to use that flywheel there then. That one on your left. That's out of that junk motor.
The SIG motor.
Well, this is the rusty one. I'll give it a white.
So we'll reuse the flywheel bolts one more time.
Dripping on me. Not an issue I thought I'd have with this car.
Hey.
There. Oh, there, look.
Did the rocker cover weld-ons? They've come up awesome. We've got a little screamer that road fill hole on the bonnet, completely legal.
Yeah, it plumbs back as per factory.
The half-size radiator, dump pipe clears, plenty of room with the radiator there. Epic, epic, epic. Right, can we start it up now?
Yeah.
So this has got that full exhaust that just goes under the car towards the back wheel. Straight through pipe, no muffler. Listen how loud this is. It sounds like a lawnmower. We need to put the engine earth on, Nick.
What was the earth? Oh, that was the actual. I thought that was the engine earth. That was only the
Alright, key off. Alright, we're back. Take two, go.
Sound better?
That should not be
No,
misfiring.
just give it a second.
No, it should not be misfiring.
Well, it does, Matt. It does. Sometimes when you start it, takes a few goes. That is misfiring really bad, isn't it?
What?
What have you done, Matt? You've touched something, haven't you?
What the fuck was that?
No, I'll get the.
It's so loud.
It is normal when it starts up. It always does that. It always has. But never that bad. Like it's always for like half a second or a second, and then it goes away.
That was a good 20.
But why is it as soon as you unplug the coil pack and plugged it back in, it was good again? That's weird, isn't it?
Because it's new parts.
Doesn't make sense.
If we use second-hand core packs, it would have been fun. Alright, let's check that exhaust out.
Let's go. But here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Six, let's go.
Alright, so that's it for today. We just thought we'd give you guys a quick update. We've got a cannon muffler that we need to put onto the Starlet tomorrow, and we can go do some road tuning. We need to adjust the tune a little bit. It's going to be a little bit different to the TD05 that was on there. Now we've got the big G3770. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. See you later.